Hey guys, welcome back to Ven's Kitchen. So today on the menu I'm going to show you how I cook this chicken foot soup. This is actually one of my favorite soups, so I'm going to show you guys how I made it. Let's get into the video. I'm going to start off with about half pot of water, and then I'm going to add my washed and clean chicken feet. So basically I chopped these in three because the chicken feet was so big. So I had to chop them in three for it to be more pleasing to the eyes. If they're smaller, you can, use them without chopping them. But yeah, I washed and chopped them. I'm gonna add them to my water. I'm gonna boil them with some pimento seeds and some garlic cloves. I added about 10 pimento seeds and about 5 garlic cloves. This is very important, so do not miss this step. I'm gonna cover the pot and let that boil until the chicken feet are halfway cooked. I'm gonna get my ground provision ready. I'm using yellow yam, sweet potato, I'm using pumpkin or squash, and I'm using 1 carrot. I used about half pound of yellow yam and about half pound of sweet potato and a quarter of a pumpkin and 1 carrot. I'm gonna chop those medium size because I like in my soup when my ground provision is visible, like I can eat it like a dumpling. But if you want to cut it smaller, you can go ahead and cut it smaller. You can also add dasheen or Irish potato, but I prefer not to add those because those are not my favorite. So I wash these, by the way, and I chop them up, and then I'm going to add them to my pot. Once the chicken feet is halfway cooked, I'm going to then add my ground provision. Be careful because the pot is hot. So I'm gonna put them in and I'm gonna let them boil until it's halfway cooked again. After about 15 minutes of boiling, I'm going to uncover my pot and add my chopped up green onion, scallion, and scotch bonnet pepper. I did add a green scotch bonnet pepper, by the way. I'm going to use 2 Grace noodles. I'm using the pumpkin beef one and the chicken noodle one, and I use the pumpkin one because I want it to be a really nice pumpkin color, because this pumpkin that I used didn't have a nice color, so I added the pumpkin noodle. I'm then gonna take some of the pumpkin and mash that out and add back to my pot to get a more thick and colorful soup that I'm looking for. And this is the method that I always use, and I always get good results with it. After that boil for about 5 to 6 minutes, I'm gonna then add my dumplings that I made prior. And when I'm cooking soup, I always like to add my dumplings last, because they cook the fastest. So I add them in last, and I season my pot with about half teaspoon of salt and about 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I then added my pigeon peas. I washed these, by the way. I'm gonna add my pigeon peas and I'm gonna stir that and let it cook for another maybe 8 to 10 minutes while it thicken up. And yeah, that is it. Like, you should get your nice yellow pumpkin color and you can serve up your soup. This serving size is about for 10 people or maybe 8 people, so you can reduce the ingredients if you're cooking for less. I will post the written ingredients down below, and I hope you guys try this. You can also add pigtail, salted pigtail, and that should kick it up a notch. But the cooking time for this is about an hour or hour and 15 minutes. And yeah, you should have some delicious chicken foot soup. Once again, I hope you guys enjoy. Please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I drop a new video. And I hope you guys try my recipes. Bye.